And now for a really cute tiger, I've got a green 5-inch round, blown up to about 1.5 inches. Then I've got 2 white 260s, one with about 5 inches uninflated, the other with about 7 or 8 inches uninflated on it. I've got an orange 260 with about 4 inches of tail on it. And then I've got an orange 360 with about 5 inches uninflated on it. We're going to start with 360. What we're going to do is make about a 3.5 to 4 inch bubble. And we're going to make a nice round bubble and make a pinch twist out of that. And we're going to make about a 2.5 inch bubble, a little smaller than that one, followed by another round bubble that will also become a pinch twist. And then another bubble the same size as that one. And we'll lock those together. And then we're going to need another small round bubble, smaller than those. Make that into a pinch twist as well. And about a 5-inch bubble, followed by another round bubble, which of course will be a pinch twist. And I'm going to split that pinch twist. Okay, that I'm going to pop the excess off. We don't need it. Secure that end in there. That's going to be, as you can tell, the head and the body. We're going to set that aside. We're going to take the shorter of the 2 whites, and then we're going to tie the end of it to the end of the orange 260. And then I'm going to reach over here. I'm going to grab the green 5-inch round, and I'm going to push the knot up into the middle, twist it into 2 small round bubbles, just like that. Then I'm going to take that, and I'm going to make about a 2-inch bubble in the white, and twist that onto that 2-inch bubble there. Then I'm going to take the white, I'll make another bubble the same size as that one. Lock those 2 together, and then one more bubble, just slightly longer, and twist it back around the green. The green are going to be the eyes. Now I'm going to take the orange, and I'll bring it up over the top until it comes across to the eyes. Twist it into that as well. Now the rest of this white we can pop off, we don't need anymore. Secure that away and tuck that in there. That's going to be our tiger's muzzle and his eyes. Now we need about a 3-inch bubble, and then you're going to grab your tiger, the other part of your tiger, the head, and I'm going to twist this into that pinch twist at the base of his head, just like that. Lock that in. And then we're going to take this and push it back into the gap there in its head. Push it back in, and once you get to pull it, so it pulls that muzzle up snug against the head, and now you can see our tiger's face. And I chose green because a lot of times cats have green eyes. Now I'm going to set that down for a second, and I'm going to take my other white 260, and then I'm going to make about a 2.5 to 3-inch bubble. Make a little small bubble that'll be a pinch twist. A little small bubble, about a 1/2 to 3/4 inch bubble. Another small bubble, and make this next one a pinch twist. I've got a pinch, a round bubble, a pinch. Now I'm going to do that one more time. So another round bubble, one more, and then pinch twist this next one. So we've got 3 pinch twists, each separated by a little round bubble. Now there's another bubble the same size as that, and this is going to be one of our tiger's paws. Lock those together, and I'm going to make a pinch twist at the heel of his foot. Now I need to make another foot the same way. So make my long bubble, first pinch twist, little round bubble, another pinch twist, another round bubble, one more pinch twist, and then another bubble to bring it all together. Twist that into there. We're going to pop this excess white off. We don't need that anymore. Screw that in. Now there's his 2 paws. Now we're going to grab our tiger again, and he's going to be sitting up. So what you want is his legs to come down so that he's sitting like that, straight across With the back side, you're going to make a leg like that. And then twist those paws right into that. Now we're going to make a bubble that's going to come across. Bring that in front so you can see where it's going to cross where that split pinch twist is. Twist that into the pinch twist. Now we have one front leg and one back leg. Then we're just going to come back up. Another back leg, another front leg up to there. So make another back leg, same size as that one there. Twist it into the pinch twist at the bottom of his feet again. And one more front leg. And then we're going to pop this excess off, but I want to keep it inflated because that's going to become his tail. So, I'm going to take that off. There's his little tail. Set that aside for the moment while I grab the end of this and make sure it's secured up in there so it doesn't come undone. As you can see, he's going to be kind of sitting. You can pull that pinch twist down in between his front legs so he'll sit a little more forward like that. Then we're going to take the tail, attach it onto the back, give it a little bit of shape, and presto, there's your cute little tiger.